Now back to our breaking news from the top of the hour. More Western Kentucky school districts are changing lesson plans in the wake of more COVID-19 cases across the state. Owensboro Public Schools students will use virtual learning starting next week. Eyewitness News' Mike Pickett is live outside Owensboro Public Schools with more for us. Mike?
Shelley, in a letter to parents and staff that was sent out earlier this afternoon, Superintendent Dr. Matthew Constant says that while the number of cases within the school district remain low, the number of positive community cases is at a highly elevated level and continues to grow. The all-district virtual learning will start next Monday and last through the rest of this month. Now, the announcement happens as another 63 cases were reported by Green River District health officials today. The virtual learning will last until December 4th, and the virtual academy will stay the same, and meals will still be provided to students at no cost. Now, OPS was in an A-B hybrid learning model since in-person classes restarted last month.
We announced at the beginning of this that when we felt like our core services were being compromised in any way in terms of teaching and learning or transporting or feeding kids, that we would have to make decisions about going virtual, and we are at that point.
As for other districts, Owensboro Catholic School officials say they're not anticipating any changes to their current lesson plan of 5 days of in-person learning, adding they haven't had many issues stemming from it. But Daviess County public school officials recently announced that the high school students will start with remote learning next Monday, but the preschool, elementary, and middle school students will move to remote learning starting November 23rd. That is going to be staying in effect for that district until January 5th. Now, back to Owensboro Public Schools, Superintendent Constant tells us that the district will decide on what to do for the remainder of the fall semester by December 3rd. Live in Owensboro, Mike Pickett, Eyewitness News.